You've probably never seen
ठंडे
this
ठंडे
before,
मौसम
but
में
this is
गर्मा
the
गर्मा
Bai
फ्रूट खाना
or
चाहिए।
Borneo jungle olive. After 8 years of only eating fruits, this is still
पठाइबा
in
का
our top 3 fruits ever
ना
tasted.
लल जाबा भैया।
Extremely fatty. You just open it like that, and then
मस्त
the
बा,
flesh
मस्त
comes
बा।
out. That's what
हाँ।
you can eat.
अरे भैया हमरा
Oh my
खियावे
God.
के चाही तुहे
It's
खास
just
बार।
such a complex taste. It's like eucalyptus.
ठीक बा,
Right? If you can
दोसर
imagine
खियाबा,
menthol
दोसर।
candies, this tastes like the menthol part.
फोन नंबर
but then
देता
with
नहीं,
this
हमरा ला
beautiful,
भेज दो,
salty,
पार्सल करा
savory
दिया।
and fatty edge to it.
प्लेन
Some
पर
of
चढ़ा
them
के
taste
चाहे
like mashed
कथी
potatoes,
कहेला
some
पानी
of them
चाहत
taste like
पार्सल
oregano,
हमरा नाम पर
some of
भेज
them
दो।
taste like cannabis, believe it or not.
बहुत बढ़िया बा।
And this is the result. A bowl, and every
पारा
single
निकल आगेला
piece
भैया।
has a different flavor to it. How beautiful, right?